Hey guys, so there has been a lot of questions about our logo that we just dropped about a few days ago. Now, why is it a llama? Why does it have a bubble gum? Why is it yellow? Well, this video is to kind of go a little bit about why my team, Strix Media, and myself created this logo. Now, if you didn't know, I was born in Peru, in Lima, Peru, San Juan de Miraflores. And if you look at the Peruvian flag, in there's a picture of a llama. So putting a little bit of heritage into our logo was something meaningful to me. And then also, what does a llama represent? Well, a llama means good vibes, always having fun, always being yourself. And that's something that I try to push on this show because I love dancing, I love being a goofball, but at the same time, I want to create some education by showcasing my passion for making cocktails. And then you have the bubblegum, which kind of just adds that quirky element of the sticky counters. You know, when you pop a bubble gum, it goes all over and everything becomes sticky. So I just wanted to put that out there so everybody understands what the logo is, and I'll see you guys later. Cheers.